At Kashmere High School, the Miles Ahead Scholars Program is helping prepare students for life after graduation. It's an academic and college readiness honors program for Black and Latino male students focused on leadership, accountability, and future success. I spoke with Kashmere seniors Jeremy Stewart and Jose Burciaga, who say the program has given them real-world skills they'll need in college and their careers.
It's a program, we have like pillars we serve, like, leadership, extracurriculars, opportunities.
One part of the program they especially enjoy is something called a Fantastic Learning Opportunity, or FLOW for short.
It's a fantastic learning opportunity. So they'll pay for us to go to a different state, or to go to a trip in UT Austin, or in Philadelphia, things like that. They really push for us to be go out of our comfort zone. We public speaking, they help us with that, things like that. It's a great program for young men that are either at Kashmere or Wheatley High School.
Jose's FLOW took him to UT Austin for free.
It helps you put more on your college application, especially on the extracurricular part. So as Jeremy mentioned, I went to a FLOW as well. I went to UT Austin for their medical health program, and it kind of allowed me elevate my resume, elevate my application. So I could say it's very influential.
And Jeremy's FLOW took him to Yale, also at no expense to him or his family.
So I was able to go there. I chose the course. It was called Solving Global Challenges, right? Because I feel like my passion is kind of to help the world any way I can. So with that, I learned about carbon emissions, building infrastructure, things like that, things that affect the world on a daily basis. I was able to learn about that. I was able to meet many people. It was very diverse. I was with different roommates, people from Asia, people from Europe, it's Yale Young Global Scholars, and they really meant that when they said that.
Programs like this are part of the reason real progress is happening at Kashmere. And for these scholars, the name says it all. They're already miles ahead.